I'm going to talk about the 78 subsets. The question is, given an integer array numbers of unique elements, return all possible subsets the power set. The solution must not contain duplicate subsets. Return the solution in any order. Okay, so first is numbers 1, 2, 3. And the output is empty and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 3, like this. And example 2, we can see 0 and empty and 0. So how to think about this problem? So for this one, we can treat it like 1, 2, 3, 4, right? We can treat it as the tree. So at the beginning, we is empty. The result is empty. And we are coming here, and we have to do the choice. The left part, I will have to do some definition. Left branch means not choose. And the right branch, it means choose. So for here, we start from the first number. We have one options, this not choose, so we keep the empty one, and for the right part we choose one, so it will be coming like this. So why this pick up the choose? The level means the number or the index number. We start from 0. Yeah. And then we keep doing here. Same. 2 options, empty and choose. So we have the 2 here. And for here, same. Empty or choose. It's going to be 3. And for here is 0, 1, 2. This kind of like it's gonna be none, right? It's gonna be here. For here we also have here. It should be the. I don't want to make people confused. For here, for 2, got the same thing. Keep doing here, or we choose the 3. And the 1 got the same here. We keep the 1, 1, 2. Okay, the tree should be. There's no too much space. Let me to do over here. And also for the 1, we also have the 2 options, right? And the 1 and 1, 3. For here, we also got it the same. 1, 2, and the 1, 2, 3. You can see here is the result. So which means when it's touched the button, we add it in the result. So that is the thing. And because we're going to here, we find this one, right? Normally the DFS need to go to the button of this. And if they are find the result, we can go back. And no need to go through every button of that. But for this problem, we need to go back to keep going to another branch and to check every branch. So which means DFS plus go back, which is backtracking. So let's see. Integer, so we can write the code, use the backtrack. and then back, start from 0, numbers, sub. This is the index and int numbers. So if we, the first is kind of a condition, if we touch the button, so which means the index is equal to the number's length, right? For here, we are 0, 1, 2, 3, then which means we need to return it. And if not, which means we have the two options. Left is not true and right is true, but we still need to know what kind of number I need to add in current level here. So equal to the numbers index. For here, left first, not choose. We just moved to the next, didn't do anything. So for here, for the right part is choose. So we need to add in the sub result. Add curve, and also we need to remove it. Remove it because when we go back to current level, right? Go back to we added to go back to current level. We want to go in the right part. We should keep the original one, kind of like those idea. Go to the right, right? Between this, we need to let's see. Yeah. And for the time complexity is the tree, how many tree nodes we need, right? So space should be the, here we have the 2 branch, and level here. So we need so many nodes we need to calculate. And based on this one, we need to copy results. So it will be at least the n numbers about the sub result. So we need to do this. Then it will have the n. So the time complexity will be the n times 2 this one. And for the space, original just the worst case will be the ON. We didn't calculate as the sub result. If we calculate the sub result, we still need to add this one. For here is based on the return result, we didn't calculate in, so it will be ON. Not add the return result. Thank you.